Hi guys, I'm just going to do a quick video on how to sort out your files, maybe delete files, copy, paste, or whatever you like. We might make a new folder, stuff like that, just to show you how to organise your files. So I'm in my downloads folder and it's pretty messy at the moment, and I want to just quickly sort these by type. And then I can start deleting, because this downloads folder, everything you download on your computer goes here and it just stays there forever, basically, unless you delete it. So I've got 4 of this program here. So I'm going to delete them, and I'm going to delete all of these programs. These are exe files. I don't need to keep them. Even though I've bought this program, I can download it anytime I want and just put my serial number in again, so it doesn't really matter. All right, so I'm going to just press delete on the keyboard here, or I could just right click and press delete. Delete, gone. So you've got to be very careful because it's gone. Now I'm going to delete the other one of those. I'm going to go and delete any exe files that I don't need, which is this whole row right here. Okay, I'm going to just delete that, the whole lot, just like that. Now to select a row, when you're happy that you want to delete the whole row, you want to hold your mouse key just on the white screen part. You want to hold the left mouse key down. So I've got the left mouse key down now, and then I'm going to drag it. Now see, if you go up there, it takes them, but I don't want it. I want this. So I've left my mouse key on. Now I'm lifting it off. Now I can see they're all selected. Now I've got 2 choices. Well, I want to delete them, right? If I wanted to move them, then I'd copy them, but I don't. I want to delete them. So I'm right clicking on it and pressing delete. Okay, so these ones here are all HTML documents. I don't need those. Now the thing is, I was getting them, but I accidentally got this one. So I'm just going to untick that, okay, and leave it because I don't even know what it is yet. And I'm just going to press delete on the keyboard. There we go, gone. Do is make a folder and throw some of these in, okay? And then all I have to do is move the folder to where they've got to go. So I don't want to, I don't want to try and take this, like copy 1 file or 2 files at a time and then go and take them somewhere. So what I'm going to do is create a folder. So I'm just going to right click in the space and I'm going to go new and then folder, or I go up to this top here and press on that and go new folder. Now there's my new folder. So I'm going to do videos for Amazon, because I see I've got some videos there for Amazon. Like this in these folders here. If I go in there, they're all videos for Amazon. So I've got all of those. I can get rid of that one. You just press delete. You've got to have it ticked if you want to delete it, okay? That's an exe file. I can delete that too, but you need to tick it. Okay, I don't need that. That's an exe file. I don't need that. Right, get rid of it. Right, now we're going to take these. So I'm holding my left mouse key down and selecting these. Now I've got my folder up here, so I'm just going to hold my left mouse key down. Oh, actually, I lost the selection. Did you see that? I lost it. Okay, so I'm going to do it again. Right, now keep hold the key down, the left mouse key, and drop it over that folder. So now they've gone into that folder. Okay, I've got a couple more here, but they're right in the middle here, so I'm going to go like this and select them manually. Then I'm going to take it up here and I'm dropping 3 of them in there. Okay, what else have we got? We've got thumbnails which go with the videos, so I'm going to take that and drag it up here, but it doesn't want to because let's see, I'll grab this, bring it up here, chuck it in there. There we go. Now delete. So we'll get another folder and we'll call it pictures or photos to sort out later. So we'll get some photos and chuck them in there. Now I'm going to show you something different. So if I take those, because they're photos, I want to take some photos from up here, so I'm going to tick those ones. And what else have I got? I'll have some more down here somewhere. Some photos. Let me have a look. No, a lot of them are videos, so, but I'll take those because they're not Amazon, right? They're not Amazon videos, but a lot of these are Amazon videos. Okay, so I'm going to take that lot. So let's see what happens, right? So there they are, but I also had some from down below. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 here, plus the ones from down below, which are selected. I'm going to hold my key down on them. Actually, this time I'm going to right click on them and I'm going to press copy. Okay. Then I'm going to go into the folder and right click and press paste. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 files just then dropped in there. So now we've got the 2 folders. Okay. All right. Okay. So since I just made a copy of them, which I shouldn't have done, these ones are still here. Okay. So if you want to go and check, you go into the folder, open up a couple of these, double check the pictures. Okay, they're there. So I don't have to worry about that, but I definitely did copy them and I did not cut them. Okay, so what I want to do now is just delete some. Oops, that one's been used for some reason. Right. There we go, they're gone. Just press delete. Okay. All right, so that was my mistake. I should have pressed cut because I'm trying to not create duplicate files. I'm trying to, so when I drag and drop, I'm dragging the file from this place to the other place. But when you copy, you're making a copy of it and you're leaving it there. All right, so I can do a folder for the PDF files and all that as well. These are all, if you could just look and see, you'd definitely be able to delete a lot of stuff, which you're better off not letting it get out of hand if you can. And but I definitely have. Okay, I've let it get out of hand. And I need to go and delete a lot of stuff. All right, so what else have we got? To sort out files. Now up here, I go like this and go .pdf, okay, and show all, okay. Now I can see here that there's duplicates right here. So we could also go we can search for docx, which is a docs. Let's show all of them, and we can go along and delete them. I've got 3 of one document there. You can delete them anyway because you might not want them anymore. Yeah, all right. Now you can also keep them as well, of course. But let's see. Delete. Yep, that one's gone. Delete. Yep. Now with this one here, we've got the diagonal corner store documents. We could go and search for them and then put them together in a folder. All of these roster ones, don't need them anymore. They can go, just delete. So I'm just going to select them like this and then press delete. No. One of them wasn't available to delete, so maybe the duplicate file finder got rid of them. You never know. Okay, so this is what how a different way to sort out your documents. Okay, so we've got don't need that. Delete. Just press delete on the keyboard. It's a bit slow to get rid of it at the moment. Okay. So I should make a new folder. So I'm going to go back to downloads. We're going to make a new folder. And I'm going to go and get some of those documents. And so we're going to just pick up some of the things here. Form. Form. Now we're going to cut them because we don't want to keep them there. We're going to right click and we're going to go cut. We're going to take them up to the folder we just made and we're going to paste them in there. So enter the folder. So I've done a bit of tidying up and organising of the files, and this is my downloads folder, and I ended up making 6 folders. So what I did is I either deleted or I put them into these folders here. This lot here can simply be deleted, so I'm just going to select it and press delete on the keyboard. Okay, so now I've got these here. I need to take them into certain areas so they can get sorted out again because I haven't even sorted it. So if you look in here, there's a whole heap of invoices and there may be some duplicates. I don't know yet because I'm going to go and compare them to the other PDF files. So basically, I can cut all of these. Now this one here has got a generic name, so I'm going to have a look what's in it, because what I want to do is copy the folders and take them over somewhere, but I mean there might be a thing called photos already. So these are just extra photos, so I'm going to rename it. Rename, there we go. and I'm going to put photos to sort out. Okay, I'm going to change it a bit, not just photos. Okay, I'm going to change this one as well. So I'm going to right click on that, press rename, PDF files to sort. Okay, just in case I've got a thing called PDF files. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to select them all. Or another way to select them all is to press Ctrl and A on the keyboard, and that will select them all. Now I want to cut them, so I can press Ctrl and X on the keyboard, or I can also right click and press cut. Okay, so we're cutting them and we're taking them into D. So look at the difference here, and then I'm going to put them over here. So let's have a look. So this needs sorting again, but I'm going to paste it in D. It'll take a bit because there's a fair bit there. So that's happening. Now, another folder that I wanted to clean out was just called screenshots, but this one's quite easy. Even though that's still copying over there, I'll let it go. These are just screenshots of products that I've done, or it could be actual screenshots for like website tutorials or whatever. So with this one, I'm just going to press Ctrl and A to select them all, and I want to delete them all, so I'm just going to press delete. Okay, so at the moment I've got something still copying. It also deleted that for me, so it's working hard at the moment. So now my screenshots folder is empty. There's a lot of other things that I need to sort out, but I hope that helps a little bit in sorting something out. People don't usually have such a messy computer like mine. Yours is probably easy, and you can also just do it more often, and then it wouldn't be such a mess. All right, let's just check it out when this is finished to see how much space I've just saved. Okay, so it's finished. So I deleted that, and now I also went to the downloads folder and I took those folders out of there. I moved them into D. So let's have a look at this. So it didn't look like it's given much difference, as in saving too much space here. So this is what I'm trying to do, is clear out some space here. So it didn't look like it impacted that one much either. So let's go and have a look at what it could be. So another thing is you can go into the users folder. So what happened, what did I just do? I went to Windows C, okay? This PC and then Windows C. Then I go into the user and I go to my name, because basically I'm the only one that actually uses this computer. And let's check it out. So the downloads folder is empty, right? The documents folder hasn't got much in it. So I'm just looking for what is taking up all of that space on my computer. Okay. Yeah. So let's have a look at Windows. There must be something going on here. What's this? Don't know. All right, let's go back. This PC, we didn't save much room, but we'll just keep working on it. That's all I can do. All right. The other option is for this, to clear it out, is to actually format the computer, and that's what I used to do all the time. because the computers weren't as big as they are nowadays. So on this computer, as you can see, I've got a drive just for Windows, and then I've got an extra 2 terabyte hard drive on the side for storage only. So I tried not to store as much as I could here now, but it's still got too much rubbish here. So the other thing that we could do, I mean, this is besides organising your computer, this is like another video that I'll have to do on how to save space. So we'll do that one next. All right, well, I hope that helps you organise a little bit. Thanks for watching.